up mga kamamashi, Momshiej here, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we will be doing another unboxing and product review. Kasi 3 days ago, naka-receive ako ng package from Johnson's Cottontouch. So nabuksan ko na din siya 3 days ago, so I'll be showing you na lang a short video clip of the unboxing. Na na-receive ko from Johnson's Cottontouch, and I'm super excited to share with you how great this product is. Kasi I've been using Johnson's Cottontouch for my little one since day 1. Yan, so and it's very timely kasi kakapanganak lang ng sister-in-law ko noong May 6, 2021. So, Johnson's Cottontouch din yung nirecommend ko sa sister-in-law ko na gamitin niya kasi it is specially designed for newborn's delicate skin. So, para hindi rin siya nag-worry sa mga ina-apply niya or ginagamit niya for my pamangkin. To show you further how great this product is, I will be showing you a DIY test between brand X and Johnson's Cottontouch wash and lotion. So you have seen the difference, and if you have noticed, I have included sa DIY test ko yung mga key points like it's non-sticky and it leaves no residue. I know everyone will agree with me that we hate that sticky feeling that even as adult, pag naliligo tayo and nag-a-apply tayo ng mga lotion, yung sticky feeling na ang tagal ma-absorb ng ina-apply natin sa katawan or sa balat natin. What more for our little one, di ba? So, Johnson's Cottontouch made of natural cotton that makes our touch ultralight, as light as cotton. So, walang irritable moments with baby. Baby can just enjoy a relaxing massage from us mommies. The reason why I continued using Johnson's Cottontouch and kung bakit i-recommend ko siya sa sister-in-law ko for my new pamangkin is because it gives the babies 100% gentle skin protection made for newborn mismo. Lalong-lalo na sa mga first-time moms dyan like me and sa mga pregnant pa lang, you can use this for your little one. Plus, there's more. Johnson's Cottontouch is the only brand recommended by MCNAP or the Mother and Child Nurses Association of the Philippines. So, just imagine. So, I don't want to end this vlog without thanking Johnson's Cottontouch for sending me all of this It's super nice. I'm super grateful and I'm super thankful. Plan kami ng husband ko na magpahabol summer getaway and you sent me this small travel size na lotion and wash. So, ito na yung dadalhin ko. So, thank you, Johnson's Cottontouch. That's it. I'll be posting on the description box below all the links ng Johnson's Cottontouch. Feel free to visit them, lalo-lalo na po sa Facebook nila kasi nandun yung mga promos, mga announcement of new products, and also I'll be posting the link of their Lazada and Shopee so you can just purchase online. That is safer actually. So that really is it. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga vlogs and unboxing na gagawin ko. So, thank you so much guys for watching. God bless and bye for now!